In the table below, what interval contains the median? Over here it's between 40 and 59 because you have a total of 11 numbers. So that'll give you 5 on each side. And 1 in the middle. But this top part has 5. This bottom part has 6, so we know it's got to be in this one. There's 6 in here. 6 numbers, 4 plus 2 is 6. So it's got to be between 40 and 59. Histogram below shows the grade distribution for the mathematics test given in Mr. Key's class. How many students are in the class? Right here we say the frequency of the grades. So you got 6, 4, 12, 5, 1. Add them up, you get 28. The table below shows cumulative frequency distribution of runners' age. According to the table, how many runners are in their 40s? Right here we're going to, because they increase every time by the number in the ages. So from 20 to 29. So it goes 8 to 18, 18 to 25. So we know from 40 to 49 would add, so 7 more students because 25 minus 18 is 7. The test scores of 10 students in Miss Sampson's homeroom were 61, 67, 81, 83, 87, 88, 89, 90, 98, and 100. Which frequency table is accurate? This set of data. Alright, so from 60 to 61, from 60 to 61, we have 61 to 67. That's 2 of them. So all of those have 2. From 71 to 80, there's no numbers between 71 and 80, so there's 0. So that marks this one out. From 81 to 90, you have 81, 83, 87, 88, 89, and 90. So that's 6 numbers. So that has an 8, that has an 8. So automatically you know the answer, but the last one you have 2, which that has 2 as well. Alright, the accompanying histogram represents a random sample of starting salaries of college graduates. According to the histogram shown, the starting salary of the majority of college graduates was $20,000 to $29,000 because it has the highest frequency. So that is the majority of college graduates made between $20,000 and $29,000. The accompanying histogram represents a random sample of starting salaries of college students. Based on the histogram shown, how many college students were surveyed? Right here we add them up. We have 30 from that range of 20 to 29, 30 to 39 we have 20, 40 to 49 we have 10, and 50 to 59 we have 5. Add those up, it's 65 total students surveyed. Using the cumulative frequency table below, how many students received a test score between 70 and 79? We got right here, it's decreasing as you go down, so it's going to give you the right amount of number because it's going down to the bottom. So we see between 70 and 79, we notice we get to 12. If it was between 12 because it's between so we notice it's decreasing each time, and it's showing the previous interval that it had. So we know from 90 to 99 we're going to have 6 people that were in 90 to 99, and then we keep going down the next interval here from 80 to 89 we have 12 people because 24 minus 12 is 12, and then from 70 to 79 we'll have 0 people because it didn't decrease any, and then from 60 to 69 would have 10. And the last 50 to 59 would have 2. Alright, Manuel created survey statistics are shown below. How many hours per week his classmates watch television? The cumulative frequency table below represents the results according to the table. Show how many students did Manuel survey altogether. Look right here, 26 total students, because these are the number of hours watching television, and those are the number, how many students. So from 3 to 8 students watch 4 hours of television, from 9 to 14, so the total number of students is 26. Unless the test scores are 75, 83, and 75, which statement is true about the set of data? Here we notice that our median is 75, number in the middle mode is 75, and we notice they equal each other. So let's see, 3 is the answer. Alice earned scores of 66 on his first 6 algebra tests. What is the relationship between the measure of central tendency of the scores? Our mode is 87 because it occurs the most. Our median is between 82 and 87, so add those together because those are 2 numbers in the middle. That's the third and fourth number. You get 84.5, and then our mean, add them all up, divided by 6, you get 484 divided by 6, which is 80.6. So our mean is greater, our mean is less than our median because it's 80.6. And then our median is 84.5, which is greater than our mean, and our mode is 87, which is greater than our median. Tim wants his mean average quiz score. Alright, so right here, set up an equation. 86 plus 92 plus 94 plus x divided by 4 equals 90. Multiply by 4 on each side, cross them out. 90 times 4 is 360. Add those up, you get 272. Subtract 272, you get 88. Daniel made a box and whisker plot of ages of his cousins. What is the median age of his cousins? So the number in the middle would be 25. That's our Q2s, in the middle is 25. The basketball team at the Buccaneers High School played 21 games last season. The Boston Whistler plot shows the distribution of the team scores for all 21 games. Which of the following best represents the range of the team scores from last season? So our range, we take our largest number, which is 78, and our smallest number, which is 42. We subtract them, we get 36. All right, right here, Miss Young is the heart rates of students in her physical education class. She drew a Boston Whistler plot shown below using the heart rates as the data. What is the interquartile range of the number of beats per minute? Right here, Q3 is 90, Q2 is 62. How you find the interquartile range is subtract Q3 from Q1. 90 minus 62 is 28. The following is an ordered list of monthly normal high temperature for Phoenix, Arizona. Which Boston Whistler plot displays the data? Our minimum is 66. Our maximum is 105. Our Q1 number in the middle of the first 6 numbers is 74 plus 70 divided by 2 is 72. Our Q2 is the number in the very middle, which is 84 and 88 divided by 2, you get 86 for our median, our Q2. Our last one, our Q3, number in between the upper quartile is 99 plus 103 divided by 2 is 101. We'll look here, 72, lines at 86, our box is at 101, maximum minimum of our whiskers. Which of the graphs below contains a line of best fit? We see that C is the line that best fits through the data. Goes through the bulk of the data. And it's positively going up. Ms. Thomas wanted to know the amount of class time that he gave his students to study affected their test scores. The scatter plot below shows the results. What kind of relationship between the class study time and test scores is shown in the scatter plot? It's a positive slope, so it's a positive correlation, and we notice the points are increasing. Which of the following scatter plots is most likely to have the line of best fit represented by the equation below? Y equals negative 5x plus 2. Has a negative slope, so I know it's going down, so it can't be this one, it can't be this one. The y-intercept's at positive 2, so we see that right there. The accompanying histogram shows the heights of the students in Kyra's health class. What is the total number of students in the class? You see here we got 2 people between these heights, 4 between 170 and 179, 5, 180, 189, 4, and 1. Add them up, you get 16 people in the class.